Today I'm painting dandelion seed heads with masking fluid in the form of a pen and a pot. I will apply to the paper to mask out the white bits on the seed head. The pen is nice and fine so we can create lots of lines around the edge of the circle, some dots inside and into the background, and then use the handle of a paintbrush to dip in the pot of masking fluid to create the stem. So we're going to start to paint inside the seed heads. So wet the paper first, and now I'm mixing up a grey, a very pale grey with ultramarine blue and burnt sienna, and let that blend in with the water. And now we go straight to the background and start to wet the background, and this paint's a little bit stodgy, so I'm adding some water and then apply it into that gorgeous background there. So now I'm going to let you watch the video with some music and enjoy watching how the paint actually softens as time goes on. I'll pop back a bit later in the video. Each painting that I create is part of a journey. The things that I've learnt will carry on into the next piece. For more details on this painting process, colours and some extra tips, please join my mailing list, the link's in the description. And here is the painting that I created next. The lines of the seed head go further into the circle, and I found it so great to experiment. Here is the finished frame painting. If you do have a go, have fun, and thanks so much for watching.